Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast. Sofi stock has officially broken out of the 15-day consolidation range that we were able to locate. What we're going to do in this video, I realized I didn't go over any retracement levels for you guys. So since we got the official breakout, now what we're going to do in this video is explore potential targets. And that's what we're going to do right here, right now. So let's get into it. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action. Welcome in all of our new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. So today is November the 24th, 2021, and the previous close of Sofi is going to be $17.81, slightly negative 5% for the day. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it here. All right, so here's the life of Sofi. Let's pull up 3-day candles. All right, so I realized I didn't go over retracement level for you guys. Actually, the first conservative level is going to be 1714. I guess for those of you who are new, let's kind of put things into context here. I'm not sure if we were like the only YouTube channel to call for a breakout of the Sofi stock. At the post time, it was like $21.18 at the time. Sofi stock 5 days away from a breakout! Exclamation, exclamation, exclamation. Did pretty well, actually. 2,100 views, all the comments. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. I really appreciate that, all of you. Okay. So basically what we're looking for now is potential retracement. The 1714 level, if this level can act as a level of support, because that is the previous level of resistance, just kind of looking at the 3-day candles, that would be a really good sign, guys. But I truly think that this is going to take at least up to 30 days in order for us to truly have some sort of understanding whether or not the buyers are actually going to make a higher low here at 1714. But if it breaks down within less than a week, that's fine, guys, because naturally what's going on is history is repeating. And if we just kind of zoom out and look at history, this is how I was able to find these 15-day consolidation ranges, just by simply, zooming out and looking to the left. Okay. So basically what happened the first time there was a consolidation for 15 days, excluding the breakout candle, okay, which is circled in red if you can actually see that. It broke out, and believe it or not, it actually went 42% to the downside with respect to this wick over here at about March 2021. Now, the second time it had the 15-day consolidation range, I think it's pretty obvious, right? 37% move to the downside. So basically, this video is insinuating that if the 1714 level cannot hold, then this little question mark here would turn into a 32% move to the downside, unfortunately for the bulls. But that's basically all I have. And we would have to, again, let's give it a full week for starters. And what I would look for, if you guys look at the lower time frames, I would just simply put a horizontal line at about 1714. And again, I know a lot of you guys look at like the 1-hour candles, which I do not recommend doing that. But I would focus more on kind of like the daily candles, and I'd wait till I see some sort of confirmation of a reversal, meaning like a green candle with maybe preferably like a longer lower shadow, maybe near closing above the 1714 level. Okay, so that's kind of something that I would start to look for if I were long this market. I'm not long, just kind of exploring the story here. And actually on our last post, I don't know if you guys remember, we were looking for an open higher and a push higher. Unfortunately, we got, a very small push higher, but it did open higher. I just want to show you guys, it did open higher, slight push, rejection. It's the same thing, guys. It did actually the same exact gesture that it's done the previous 3 times in the past. So I think that was a pretty sweet call. Hopefully you guys, we've summarized the video. We're just looking for to see if 1714 is going to hold. There's a lot of volume in this market. I really like that. I want to participate at some point here. 1714. So that's pretty much all I have. Let's give it a full week. Daily candles, 3-day candles is what I would focus more on this Sofi setup. And let me just give you where that level would be as a conservative retracement. If it breaks down below 1714, 32%. The only thing that I was measuring, it was the actual floors of the little consolidation homes, right? So I'm just going to measure this little floor over here from the most recent consolidation range, not home. All right, so let's see where 32% would leave the price. We're definitely ahead of I'm definitely ahead of myself with this measurement, but just for, just want to give you guys that information. So that's going to be like $14. $14 and about 28 cents. I know. I get this a lot, guys. It's never going to happen, Napoleon. It's never going to happen. All right. So that's all I have for you wonderful folks. Let's give the market a good, full week for starters. And yeah, that's it, guys. I'm saying the same thing over and over. So if you don't mind supporting the channel before you go by leaving an appropriate thumb, I would truly appreciate it just below the video. And also leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your support. If you guys are new, we also explore the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. Kind of subscribe to the bell. We'll send that out to you guys momentarily. Remember, hit that bell when you hit the subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, remember, always have a plan in the market. This way you can protect yourself from any downwards risk. Dollar cost averaging is pretty much something I would start doing if you're kind of new to investing. That's always a good thing to do, just dollar cost average. And that's pretty much it, guys. So we'll talk soon and stay positive. Bye for now.